I've been served with a summons and I don't know what to do next. This is one of the most common questions my litigation clients will ask me. They're at home one night, somebody shows up at the doorstep, hands them a paper, it's a summons, and they are freaked out. They're not sure what to do next. There's a document from a court, it's got deadlines on it, it's got an attorney's name on it, and they're never sure what the next step is, especially if they've never been involved in litigation. So the first thing we do when we receive that summons is we take a breath. So in very rare situations, does the summons require some kind of a response immediately? Most of the time, the summons is going to tell you that you have 20 or 30 days to file a response. And on the front of the summons will usually the name of the attorney who's representing the other party. If the person's representing themselves, then their name will be at the bottom. And that summons requires you to put in some kind of a response. So if it's only a summons without a complaint, our response is normally what we call a demand for a complaint. If it's a summons and a complaint, then we're looking at filing an answer, and you'll need to decide whether or not you want to file a counterclaim as well, and you want to pay attention to the deadlines in the document. Now remember, the document's date is not the same date that it's served all the time. So if you are served on June 15th with a summons that's dated June 1st, your time to answer started June 15th when you were served, not on June 1st when the document was dated. And it's his little intricacies that are very important to understand. So don't be intimidated, take a read through the document, and then reach out to an attorney and say, I've been served with a summons, it's got a complaint with it, we've got some deadlines, what are the next steps? What you don't want to do is put that summons away in a drawer and either ignore it or wait another 15, 20, 25 days and then pull it back out of the drawer and then go look for an attorney who then only has 3 or 4 days to file a response. So don't be afraid of the summons, take a look at it, read it, reach out to a professional, and put together a plan on how you're going to respond.